Hey everyone, my name is Tamara, and this is where you would normally be seeing my newest release of Things Even a Monkey Should Know, my do-it-yourself channel. I find myself in an unforeseen situation. Number one, I don't have a tripod here today. Number two, I am having to end the season earlier than I anticipated because I have an unfortunate situation with a neighbor who has decided to do her best to create a situation in which she has the excuse to shoot my 8-month-old puppies. Let that one sink in for a second. Not cool. So I am currently doing a lot of intensive labor, or doing a labor-intensive project to fix, repair, reinforce the fence that exists between us, and also to go ahead and erect a new fence to make it where no one can come into our yard without really having a passcode or whatever. So it's not something I anticipated having to do. And I will not be doing a DIY on this because honestly, it's hard and pretty stressful, and I just don't have it in me to back up and reshoot every time that I make a mistake or whatever. You guys get it. You've started seeing, I've started putting the outtakes at the end of the videos, and those are funny, but sometimes it's really frustrating and not funny. Anyway, my plan had been to do another few episodes and say, have wonderful holidays, I'll see you next year. But instead, I'm ending right now, and I do hope everyone has wonderful upcoming holidays. We have the whole slew of them coming up, and I will be back in February. I will be answering any messages that you leave on YouTube between now and then, but I will not be producing any new videos until then. And I thank you all for understanding the situation and for watching and being a subscriber. Y'all are awesome. I look forward to seeing you again next year. Complete and ready for action.